Hey Jeremy, this is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. You spoke with one of my associates, Alden, and we agreed that I was going to show you the top 3 optimizations that has helped countless others just like you improve leads coming in from your website. So, Signature Exteriors is your website, right? Right. So the first question is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most of owners are too busy running their business learning how the internet can benefit them and their company. Plain and simple. So sometimes the only hesitation have to have hiring someone that they don't know who's an expert, who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners' stories in their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So by the end of the video, you like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers. You can definitely shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. But all I ask is after watching the remainder of the video I'm about to show you, I would appreciate some feedback or even a review on Google if you find the topics I cover important or even valuable to you. So I make sure others are important as well. Now, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I have to go over is your content. So I did a quick analysis of your content and I found you have about 1,200 words. Usually, I don't really count the blogs as words or content in your website because Google crawlers figure out that it's a blog and it's not your content. So really, if I were to displace your content from the blogs, you'd only have about probably 1,000 words, which is still pretty nice and decent amount. So to compare you against one of your competitors would be Ferguson Roofing. And I know it's 2 different cities, but it's all in the St. Louis area. So Ferguson Roofing does all exterior as well. I found their site has about 700 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, these keywords are words that people are searching a certain amount of times each month. And this is how they figure out if your site is reliable and if you guys have the service they need. So those 1,500 words that needs to be optimized with Google can fit those keywords in and won't be keyword stuffing. Any service pages you want to offer, of course, you know, these 700 words so you can start ranking those ones as well on the first page of Google and kicking out those other competitors that might want to show up on the first page and take the lion's share of the potential clients that could be coming into your website. So every month people are searching for these certain keywords I was talking about, which you miss out on not being number one. So Ahrefs is a site I can see what all your analytics and what your site is really packed with. So you can see St. Louis Pyramid is one of your blogs I looked at already, and it's giving you 40 traffic per month. But now this isn't really a buyer intent keyword. This is people searching for St. Louis Pyramid. But let's say St. Charles Roofing. This is a city and a niche. These are the top of the buyer intent keywords that you want to be going for. Now, volumes is how many people are searching this keyword each month and wanting to buy a roof. Therefore, that first position is you bringing in 22 traffic per month. And this is just a duplicate keyword that you are also ranking for in a picture and in a content. Now, going over to your competitors, Ferguson. I'm going to show you their analytics of keywords and you can show the difference. So you can see right away Ferguson Roofing. That's bringing 241 traffic each month because they know who they are and that's the name of the company. But go down, Flat Roof Drains. This is a very specific service that they offer and it's bringing in 67 people each month out of 250 people searching this keyword because they are buyer intent keywords. Roofing Company St. Louis, another buyer intent. So you have the niche, you have the city. And that's 90 people searching this keyword each month, 32 people coming to their site looking for it to be replaced. Hopefully you get the gist of keywords now and how important they are for your content. So if you can have this many people searching for a specific niche in your industry, those are potential buys on roofs. But the next thing I have to go over with you is your Google Map Pack. So you can see you have the ads up front. I did St. Louis Roofing, search for that, 720 people searching this keyword each month. So Flat Roof Company, FM Roofing, and MLK are getting the bulk of the traffic to their website because they're in the first 3 positions of the Google Map Pack. So if I go back, you can see right here, first 3, right? Well, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to start getting citations and start getting your 5-star ratings up. So pretty much the citation is your NAPS, which is your name of the company and address of the company and location or phone number of the company. My fault. NAPS, name, address, phone number. So To get these citations, you enter them to directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you submit a citation, right? All right, so next thing I have to go over with you is another important aspect of Google, and we call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So I did a search for St. Louis roofing, right? We need organic listings. I scrolled down to St. Louis roofing because that's what I looked up. That's the name of their company, so they're propping it first, of course. So that's St. Louis roofing again, but different domain name, and that's why they're second. Now, Ferguson Roofing was third because they have the most traffic coming in from the keywords they're using and more backlinks. So this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people, it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest, right? But there is more to it just that. The link juice you obtain, which is a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if you have Ferguson Roofing linking back at you, be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back at you because you're a roofer. This is a roofing. There's another roofer right here who's linking back to you. Be a lot more effective than like a pizza because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, the three things I went over to you today was your content and your keywords, which is together. You want at least 1,500 words on your front page so you can start ranking organically with Google. And the keywords won't be the keyword stuff with the 1,500 words. And secondly, your Google Map Pack. So you need more citations and your 5-star reviews to start ranking higher with authority and trust with Google. And thirdly, backlinks or link juice. So cool thing about this, right? Every backlink you obtained or he obtained will be right here in this Ahrefs account. This is a paid program I use. So, but the cool thing about this is you can scroll down and see where their site, where backlinks are coming from, and where they're going to on this site. And another cool thing is you can see if it's a website, if it's an image, if it's a no follow or do follow link, and you can see what anchor text he is using for the backlink. Right, that's pretty cool. But right, the three things. These are our three things: content, citations with your GMB, and your link juice. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Jeremy. You have a good one.